get started. Okay, so first we have 2 cups of all-purpose flour, then 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1/4 cup of dry milk, 1 teaspoon salt, 1/2 cup of grated potato, 2 teaspoon instant yeast, and 3/4 cup plus 3 tablespoons of lukewarm water. We're going to mix all the ingredients together until they're fully combined. So this is just after it's fully combined. So now we have to actually knead the dough for around 15 minutes. So take a little bit of butter at a time and knead it into the dough slowly. So it should probably be like this. It's like soft and it shouldn't stick to the bowl or your hands. So when you poke it slowly, it should come back. So take a little bit of oil and just put it on the dough on top so that when it rises, it doesn't stick to your bowl. So we're gonna let it proof for around an hour at room temperature. So it should have doubled in size. Take your dough and put it onto a surface that you can knead it on. So I'm gonna cut it into 4 equal pieces. And then make those 4 pieces into circles by just pulling the sides down and making it flat. So now we're going to roll them into, or the 4 balls into 10-inch circles. So this is how it should look, and we're going to put on pesto sauce, which is an Italian sauce that you can find in any store. Since it's fully covered. So I'm gonna cut some fresh basil. And then just sprinkle some of the basil onto the layer. So we have to repeat this for all 4 of the layers. So I'm going to make a mark with a circle in the middle and then cut 16 equal pieces around it. So this part can get a little bit complicated, but all you have to do is take 2 and then curl them away from each other and do this twice and then stick the ends. Now we're going to let it proof for 45 minutes, and while that's happening, preheat the oven to 400 degrees. Now we're going to do an egg wash, and this just helps the bread have more color. So just take an egg, mix it, and then use a brush to put a light layer on top. So we're going to bake this for 400 degrees for 20 minutes. So this is the bread, and as you can tell, it's brown on top, which is what it should be like.